Hey, good evening, Matt here, Map Investments. I want to talk to you today about DocuSign. DocuSign, I did an option trade in DocuSign today because they had a binary event. This afternoon, they reported their earnings, and they did great. Stock did great. Was up after hours. Let's see what it was up after hours. DocuSign up $6.90 to 237. So I had some conviction in this trade today. Um, I sold the 220, so I went over here, basically 220, more or less this range. It was at 230 more or less during the day. I sold the 220 and I bought the 217, a little bit under it. I collected a third of the width. That's the goal, a third of the width, so 75 cents. And looks like these options will go to the what they call the options graveyard. So remember, I don't buy options. This one expires tomorrow. I did the weekly because it's a binary event, and you had 100. If you look over here, 168% implied volatility. The expected move was 20. You see, it says 20 up or down, and basically the move is these guys, man. They're good at what they do. Look at that, 20. Look at it right here, $20. These market makers, they play the game well, and that's why you need to be a net seller of options, and you want to try and stay within that range, because usually they don't go out of this range. So here's my trade. I did the 220, 217 and a half. Now I did it because I had conviction on this company, and this company's been doing well. Here it says I'm down 25, but this will reverse tomorrow, and I'll be up 25 and the 75. So tomorrow I'll be up $100 on this one, and this one, no, tomorrow's Friday. These will go away, and I keep the premium. And it only takes up $250 buying power. Um, so yeah, that's the trade I did. I sold the 220 and 217 and a half. If you want to see it on Tasty Word platform, so you get a better idea. Why is this like this? Come on, open up. It's slow. All right, here we go. All right, so DocuSign. All right, so DocuSign trade. All right, so here is DocuSign. So we went to the fourth. You see, it has the E for earnings, and here's basically the trade: 220, 217 put. So if the stock goes up, you see it's green. You keep your money. Here it says $1 credit. I did it for 75 cents because it was a little bit higher at the time that I did it. So I wasn't able to collect more. But here's 79% probability of success, and that's why I'm down $25. But tomorrow that'll reverse, and these options I don't have to do anything; they'll go to the graveyard. So this was my trade on DocuSign. It's just the basic put vertical. It would be this put short. When you're short, you're selling. That's what that means. Remember, I don't buy these things; I sell them. So here it is, and you go back to the fourth. There it is. Perfect. So that was the trade I did today, and I was successful. Hope you liked the video. Share it, subscribe, comments. Have a good night.